Hey everyone, if you have ever been in a Google Meet call but wanted to mute the tab without leaving the meeting, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to mute a Google Meet tab in Chrome step by step. Let's get started. By default, Google Meet lets you mute yourself, but it doesn't have a built-in option to mute the entire tab. However, Chrome has a few ways to do this easily. First, let's look at the simplest methods. If you're using Windows, click on the Google Meet tab at the top of your browser. From the menu that appears, click Mute Site. This will mute all sounds from the site, including your Google Meet call. If you need to unmute the tab later, just click on it again and select Unmute Site. This method works for any site, not just Google Meet. Now, if you want more control, you can use a Chrome extension called Mute Tab. To install it, open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Mute Tab and press Enter. Find an extension that allows you to mute specific tabs, then click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Once it's installed, you will see a small speaker icon in the Chrome toolbar. Now, when you're in a Google Meet call, just click the speaker icon and the tab will go silent instantly. You can click it again to unmute. This is great if you only want to mute Google Meet, but still hear audio from other tabs. One more tip, if you're using Windows, you can mute individual apps, including Chrome, from the volume mixer. Just right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, open Volume Mixer, and lower the volume for Google Chrome. And that's it. Now you know how to mute a Google Meet tab in Chrome using different methods. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.